How you doing, my friends? This is a Forest Family Life, and we're back to the milling, and we have this huge log that we need to cut to the slabs. It's a humongous. It's bigger than my sawmill can do it, can handle. But whatever, we're gonna try to make it work. We put the biggest, the widest parts up here.
How many inches you think it's?
I think it's
in
24
diameter
in the longest spot like this. 24, 25.
Very big.
That's way over.
I just hope it's gonna handle for us.
Yeah.
How you plan to?
All right, let's take a
huge
watch
log.
a little bit.
It's got lots of, curvy sides. Yeah, very curvy. This side is so much different than the other side. Just gonna wash off some of the dirt, so it's easier on the sawmill.
Yep.
So we're gonna be milling these oak slabs into 2 inches. Just take off the top as much as needed. Probably gonna churn it so it lines up nicely on the sawmill. I'm gonna do the slabs. This log was actually much longer, but due to the huge size of it, we had to cut it in about half, so the tractor could actually lift it. It was twice as long. Yeah, the tractor could barely bring it this half. So let's see what we're gonna get out of this log.
Yeah.
So we just made the first cut from the top, and look what kind of grain texture we're already seeing. It's beautiful. But the bad thing, the blade was not sharp enough, so we're gonna go ahead and change for a brand new blade and then just continue, because we need the slabs to be straight as much as possible. So yeah, new blade here. Just gonna install it really quick, and we'll finish this log.
log is so huge I can't even attach. My thing is not working, so I have to let it cut as is. I'm hoping I'm gonna make futures, then I can lock in. It can make nice cut.
Texture of the wood. So beautiful.
Oi.
Wow. Beautiful slab right there.
All right, my friends, we have to stop it because of the thunderstorm is coming and we don't want to cut during the thunderstorm. So here it is. We just left probably a few cuts.
Yeah, maybe like 3 or 4 more.
Yeah, we had the
slabs gonna come
tractor.
out. Let's look at this beautiful texture.
It's amazing, beautiful gonna be slabs from this white oak.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So already we have 3 here.
Yeah,
And
2
two
more.
more.
2 more. Yeah, this
We
is
cut
small. This
before.
I'm not gonna count that one.
Yeah,
So
it's like
2
a cut-off piece
and
now.
4. So 4, and probably gonna get 4 more. So
Yeah, but
total
these
gonna
are
be
the
8.
cutest ones then.
Yeah.
Nice and thick ones. Yep, so taking a little break. Gonna go get some like snack, lunch. We'll see, and then come back and finish this project.
Yep. All right.
So we are back at the sawmill. The rain kind of stopped, so we just want to get this over with and be done with this log so we can continue with some other projects. Got 2 here. A little bit more to go. Ah, feels good to be done,
Yeah.
right?
Feels good to be done. This huge log.
Can't
Wow.
believe we finished it.
Yep. I want to see how this one gonna look like when you wash it. Let's do it.
Mm-hmm.
That one and that one. This is like. Look at that texture. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
So beautiful. Look at that.
Yes, very nice.
I mean, we finished milling this log, and the slabs come out really beautiful from white oak. How you can see that. Each slab is going to be approximately 68-inch long, 22-inch wide, right here on the widest spot. And the thickness we did 2-inch because I know the 2.5 will be better, but 2-inch it's make a little bit lighter for us. I don't want to carry like super heavy stuff here. And so pretty much we turn out having nice beautiful 8 slabs from white oak. I hope you guys like how it's turned out. We'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Bye.